Hello everyone and welcome to DJARCADE Production, the new frontier of audio and video productions in the international dance scene.
Hello and welcome to the channel, DJARCADE tutorial section. In this video, we do not discuss the topic of copyright on published songs. DJARCADE dissociates itself from infringement of copyright on publications, video and audio. Some of the audio material in this non-proprietary video is used purely for educational purposes. In accordance with the rules imposed by the YouTube platform and obviously excluded from any monetization, DJARCADE in the productions of Mashup cover and remix always uses his own video sequences DJARCADE Production, or royalty-free without copyright, and audio tracks both by DJARCADE Production and obviously by other authors. In the second case, however, always in accordance with the rules imposed by the YouTube platform, and without any monetization. Content ID's claim on these videos has no impact on the channel. No strikes or copyright infringement. DDR Mashup technique. How to create a mashup of two songs published in the DDR version. Dance drum remix. That is, extrapolating the original drum parts from both audio tracks, almost completely except perhaps for the obligatory fills, and replacing them with our own loops, grooves. So it involves processing at least 3 audio streams simultaneously. For example, instrumental sections of one song merged with bass lines and vocal parts of the other, etc., all supported by DDR loops. Then, once the pattern is completed, cut, verified and saved, we will proceed with the union of the various riffs in pre-established sequences. Intro, verse 1, bridge 1, chorus 1, solo, etc., which will create the raw mashup. Only at this point can the new audio track generated and saved with sample rate 44,100 or 48,000. Format, WAV, stereo PCM, department, 24-bit, be optimized, EQ graphic, paragraphic, stereo expander, compression, limiter, etc., and imported into a DAW, checking the correct timing to be in turn mixed with any additional effects, SFX, uplift, downlift, crash, etc. Finally, after further mixing, it will be exported again as a new audio track with the same settings as above, ready for mastering, which we can create digitally for convenience using a good plugin perhaps on the same DAW. Planning. First of all, you need to plan the structure of the project. Choose 2 suitable songs. The first idea for a creation could give poor results or even be almost impossible for various reasons, despite perhaps the same fundamental metric subdivision, the intonation, an alignable tempo and the same key. We could come across very poor quality or ruined songs that should be corrected or optimized, but would never perform at their best. Maybe better to look for better versions. Or even worse, vintage songs, recorded in analog or live, which result in an inconsistent BPM. This would significantly complicate the creation of the project. In fact, transforming a flow with inconstant BPM into constant with excellent results. It is an almost prohibitive operation even for software that uses AI. Software, Editor Player, Atomics, Virtual DJ Pro 2023 Stems 2.0, Audio Editor, Magix, SoundForge Pro 14 Suite, DAW, ImageLine, FL Studio 20 Producer Edition. Check audio tracks optimization. For this tutorial we have chosen 2 simple tracks to combine. In this case already optimized, remixing and remastering carried out by us, not only for the same original key, therefore no transpose of tracks, but above all for the fact that the song by the Alan Parsons Project is instrumental. Therefore the melody sung is only that of Planet Funk and both songs have a constant BPM. The Alan Parsons Project, Mamagama, remix version, metric, 4/4, key, DM, BPM, 103.50 constant. Planet Funk, Inside All the People, long version, metric, 4/4, key, DM, BPM, 122.00 constant. Now let's import the tracks to SoundForge and carefully check the pitch to avoid frequency dissonances. Let's check with the plugin if the pitch markers are optimal. 440 Hz. We remind you that the tracks have already been optimized previously with SoundForge, so there would be no need, but we do it to demonstrate the check tuning procedure. Well, in the next episode we will prepare the tracks on the Player VDJ editor, the virtual DJ console, together with our loops. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so and activate the bell so you don't miss any updates. If you like this video, leave us a like. Until next time.
DJ Arcade, Groove Me Production, Music Production Studio. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon.